Which wood stove fan is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Jossa Collar Heat-Powered Fan. The Jossa Collar wood stove fan caught my eye with its sleek design and heat-powered functionality, priced at just $25.99. If you want to maximize heat distribution without the hassle of electricity, this is worth a serious look. This fan operates entirely on heat, which means no batteries or electricity are required. As it heats up, it starts to circulate warm air, helping to eliminate those cold spots in your room. The upgraded aluminum blades are designed to last longer and spread heat efficiently, perfect for wood stoves and fireplaces. Plus, it operates silently at less than 25 decibels, so you can enjoy the warmth without the noise. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A silent fan means you won't be disturbed whether you're sleeping or working. Now, some users mention that the fan doesn't spin as quickly at lower temperatures. Here's the thing though, this fan is still effective because it starts operating around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is common for wood stoves. It's ideal if you're using a stove that generates consistent heat. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient and quiet way to distribute warmth in your home. Skip this one if you need something more powerful for larger spaces. Overall, it's a solid value for the price. Now, if the Jossa Collar's lower spin rate concerns you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for faster heat distribution.
Product number 2, Voda 8-Blade Fan. The Voda wood stove fan, which features an impressive 8 blades and a price tag of $24.99. If you're looking for a fan that pushes a lot of air around quickly, this one deserves your attention. What I love about this fan is how it's designed to divert warm air horizontally, meaning it can warm your room up faster compared to traditional fans that just blow air vertically. This is especially beneficial in rooms with high ceilings where warm air tends to rise. Plus, it comes with a thermometer to monitor your stove's temperature so you can ensure it's running efficiently. Here's why this matters. Using warm air effectively can save you on heating costs and create a more comfortable living environment. However, a few customers pointed out that it can be a bit bulky, but honestly, if you're looking for efficiency over aesthetics, I think it's a fair trade-off. It still does an excellent job where it counts. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful heat diffuser that can manage larger spaces. Skip this one if you have limited space on your stove. It's a great deal for the performance it offers. All right, that was a solid option. But if you're after something that combines portability with efficiency, the next fan might be just what you need.
Product number 3, Miatin Heat-Powered Fan. Let's talk about the Miatin Heat-Powered Fan, priced at $25.99. If you want a fan that's not just effective, but also built to last, this one should be on your list. This fan converts heat into electricity, so it works even during power outages. Its anodized aluminum construction ensures it resists high temperatures and won't corrode, which is a huge plus for longevity. The sound level is also impressively low, under 25 decibels. This means you can enjoy the warmth without the distraction of a noisy fan. Here's why that matters. A quiet operation is essential if you're using it in a bedroom or an office. But some users have reported that it doesn't work well on certain types of stoves that don't get hot enough. Here's the thing though, if you have a quality wood stove that reaches the necessary temperatures, this fan will work wonderfully, making it a reliable addition to your setup. This is perfect for you if you want something durable and efficient for consistent use. Skip this one if your stove doesn't reach high enough temperatures. It's worth the investment for the right setup. Now, if you're looking for a fan that's truly versatile and works with various heat sources, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Voda 4-Blade Fan. The Voda wood stove fan with 4 blades, priced at $29.99. If you want something that balances performance with a compact design, this fan could be your go-to. This fan operates without batteries or electricity, using the heat from your stove to function. It can help reduce wood consumption by up to 28%, which can save you money in the long run. The larger blades are designed to push a sizable amount of warm air throughout the room, making it efficient for smaller spaces. Here's why this matters. By using less wood, you're not just saving money, you're also being environmentally friendly. However, some people found it slightly less efficient in larger rooms, but I'll be real with you. If you have a cozy space to heat, this fan excels at creating a comfortable atmosphere. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller living area and want to maximize warmth,
Skip this one if you need something for a vast open space. It's a great value for that kind of efficiency. Now, if you're curious about a fan that offers unique features beyond just heat distribution, stay tuned for our last product.
Product number 5, Josicolor Buddy Heater Fan. We have the Josicolor Buddy Heater Fan, priced at $25.99. If you're using a propane buddy heater, this fan is specifically designed for you. This fan features a magnetic thermometer, allowing you to monitor the temperature directly from your heater. Its heat-powered design means you won't need batteries, making it incredibly convenient for outdoor or emergency situations. The silent operation is a standout feature here as well. Here's why this matters. If you're using it in a camping scenario or during power outages, the last thing you want is a noisy fan interrupting your peace. That said, some users mentioned that it's not as powerful as larger models, but honestly, if you need something compact and efficient for focused areas, it's a smart choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable solution for specific heating needs. Skip this one if you want a heavy-duty fan for large areas. For its price, it's a solid addition to any heating setup.
We've looked at the Josicolor, Voda 8-blade, Miaton, Voda 4-blade, and the Josicolor Buddy Heater Fan. Each has its unique strengths, whether it's efficiency, silent operation, or compact design. It really comes down to your specific needs and the type of stove you have. Choose wisely and stay warm.